Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are working on a series 100 day series to CAT 2025 with Work and Win. And you are at the right place. Today I am going to share with you the best YouTube resources for your preparation that is handpicked, tried and tested. But trust me, if you have not watched my previous videos, go to them and watch it properly. For the VA RC, I have shared you how to solve the RCs, like from where you have to stick. And today I'll be sharing you all the resources so that you don't have to see thousands of videos. You don't have to spend hours of searching and confusion, because I will break it down section by section for you guys. First VARC, then LRDI and then cons. But before we dive in, imagine this. Instead of juggling 10 random sources and wasting precious time, you just focus on the right ones and start improving from day one. Sounds good, right? Let's get started. For VARC, now VARC is tricky. Honestly, it cannot be really taught in the same way as cons or LRDI, but what you can do is learn strategies, practice consistently and understand the kind of thought process toppers use. On YouTube, you'll find channels that break down RC passages live, and from that only, we have our first resource, that is CAT RC practice sets by CAT VARC preparation, and this channel is by the Verbal Mentor. It is really good. It has all kind of RCs with day by day. You can start solving by them, and then you'll solve with them. You'll get to know that what are the kind of things they use, how they solve it, and what you have to do by solving. Also, make sure that you do it, by the way, as mentioned in my previous video of VARC. Now, we have VA section as well. For that, we have Verbal Mentor Parajumbles, and they have break it down in different days. You can start solving Parajumbles by seeing their video. You will have a fair idea that how Parajumbles actually work, how you have to approach them. Then you can move to other words also. Next is by MBA Wala. So this channel basically, it gives you intro to English CAT, and it will has different kind of words, for example critical reasoning, vocabulary, etc. This playlist is designed to make you sure that you know everything that is being there. The next is Lokesh VA. So here you'll get videos on summary, para jumble, odd one out, sentence insertion, everything. So you can watch it, and you don't have to watch the whole playlist for everything that I'm mentioning. You can just choose what suits you, and after getting a basic understanding of how para jumbles are solved, how odd one out are solved, you can start solving it by your own. And stay tuned for more such videos, because I will be bringing some great resources and the way I used to solve them. Now, the second section we have is LRDI. You all know that LRDI is where a lot of students either make it or break it. The good news, you can actually train your brain for LRDI. There are amazing playlists out there where coaches solve CAT level sets from scratch, explaining step by step how to structure data, find shortcuts and avoid getting stuck. If you practice along with them, you'll see your speed and accuracy shoot up. And honestly, the only secret to cracking LRDI is tons of exposure to different type of sets. YouTube is a perfect free resource for this, because we have channel of Rodha, which has a playlist of introduction to logical reasoning and data interpretation. Each and every kind of puzzle is being solved here. There are n number of videos, but you don't have to watch all. You can watch 1 or 2 videos of all the topics and get an understanding. Also, if you're stuck in some topics like Venn diagrams or games and tournament, just go to that specific video, see how sir solves it, and then give it a try. The second best channel for LRDI is LXGrid. I literally loved that channel at my time, because the approach they use is very simple and is very engaging, that it will stick in your mind, and when it gets stuck in your mind, you'll get to know that it is really good, and how to approach the sets the way sir teaches is so good. Now, I will not share many channels for it, because these two are the best ones. Talking about cons, it is a big one, I know. This section can be feel overwhelming because of the vast syllabus, but YouTube has gold mines for every topic, be it arithmetic, algebra, geometry, number system or modern math. And the best part, you'll find Rodha sir, who simplify concepts into just simple nuggets, and others who do full hour marathons with CAT level problems. So my advice is start with basics, build your foundation, and then shift to tougher playlist. Consistency is key. You don't just have to watch, solve with the video. That's how you will really improve, if you consider my advice. So Rodha sir has all the videos for cons, be it every topic you want to learn, be it every question you want to solve. We have different type of question, like n number of questions, and it is just really good. Now I'm sharing one more playlist that is by MBA Wala, and the sir has taught many videos. You can find his many videos, but this playlist, it contains arithmetic videos, and it contains just basic questions, but the understanding you'll get after watching these is really good. I myself have watched this, and I can bet you that this is really good the way he teaches. So these resources are finally by my side, so you can just watch them, go through it, make sure that you're consistent enough to watch it. Don't move to many resources, as said earlier. Watch my previous videos of LRDI and VARC and get to know that how to really approach the sets, how to really approach RCs, how to solve them. I will share the video on how did I analyze RC as asked by one of you. So thank you, stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like it. Thank you.